In tonight's education report, we're looking at the lack of access to mental health resources in some of our rural communities, as less resources can be detrimental to one child's growth. Well, now one district is partnering with a counseling app to provide 24/7 access for these students. It's called Alongside, and the district just rolled out this service in December. Let's take a closer look.
Mental health services are not very vast in Pecos, and so being able to have something for the students to be able to utilize 24/7.
We felt like mental health is something that we've been struggling with. Our students, we know, after the pandemic.
The Alongside app is partnered with the Pecos Barstow Toyah Independent School District to provide this service for students in grades 4th through 12th. Parents were notified in December and could have their students opt out and not participate if they chose. The app serves students that are deemed Tier 1.
Your Tier 1 is your lower level mental health problems that students are having, maybe problems with school, problems with homework, some stuff like that.
Mental health needs are addressed mainly at school for students. 90% of students receive whatever mental health services they're going to get in the school setting. And so when you have a campus of 850 students and 2 guidance counselors, and at our high school, we're blessed to have me there as a licensed professional counselor, but that's a lot of students for us to service.
School counselors mostly see Tier 2 and Tier 3 students in person with more severe mental health issues. The app will notify mental health counselors, administration, and principals if there's ever any threat of self-harm or suicide from students on this app.
The students are able to really open up and talk to someone, to the llama, and it allows them to share things that maybe they wouldn't necessarily share with an adult. And so they're able to get the help that they need that way.
So far, the app has seen great utilization from students. Developed by mental health counselors and psychologists, it includes an AI chat feature, deep breathing techniques, journaling, and a mood checker. Students can also choose to share updates with their school counselor from the app.
Our closest big city is Odessa, and that's 70 miles away before we get some real medical attention or mental health needs that we have to travel to. So to be able to offer this to our students is something so important here.
69% of schools report an increase in students seeking mental health services, while only 13% can effectively meet those needs.
And this app also allows students to speak in their native languages and learn strategies to handle many of the mental health issues they may be facing.